In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image overlay in Webflow. This tutorial is perfect for enhancing the visual appeal of your website by adding a sleek, semi-transparent layer over your images, allowing text or other content to stand out prominently. By the end of this session, you'll be able to accomplish this in mere minutes, adding a professional touch to your Webflow projects. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to your Webflow account. Once you're there, select the project where you wish to add your image overlay. If you haven't already uploaded the image you want to use, you should do so now. Having your assets ready will make the process much smoother. Now, create a div element and give it a name, say image wrapper. This div will serve as the container for both your image and the overlay. Once you've named your div, it's time to set its position. Navigate to the Style panel and set your image wrapper div to a relative position. This step is crucial because it ensures that any absolute positioning you apply later within this container will function correctly. The next step is to add your image element inside the image wrapper div. Simply drag your chosen image into the container. With your image in place, it's time to create the overlay itself. For this, add a second div inside the image wrapper and name it overlay. This overlay div will give you control over the color and transparency. Set the overlay div's position to absolute. Doing this allows the overlay to stretch and cover the entire area occupied by the image wrapper. To ensure it fits perfectly, set the overlay's top, bottom, left, and right properties. Covering the image, let's give it some style. Head to the background settings of the overlay div and add a background color of your choice. Adjust the opacity or alpha value to make it semi-transparent. This transparency effect is what will create that cool overlay look. Now, for a bit of finesse, let's play with the background settings in the Style panel. Click on Add Background Image within the overlay settings and select your image. Then adjust the image's position to cover and size to cover or auto, depending on your preference or the effect you wish to achieve. Adding an additional background color overlay directly in the background settings can offer even more customization. You may adjust its opacity further, creating layers of transparency until you have the perfect look. Finally, if you want to place text over this stunning overlay, add a text element inside the same overlay or div block. Style this text as needed to ensure good readability against the backdrop. In just a few simple steps, we've created a captivating image overlay that not only enhances the aesthetic of our web page, but also keeps it functional and user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in crafting your stunning Webflow projects. Happy designing!